Hi students, welcome you all for today's video on some applications of a trigonometry, that is chapter 9 of a class 10. In that only one exercise is there, that is 9.1. So we quickly move to the question number 1. Before that, if you haven't watched my previous videos, please watch my previous videos, that's introduction to trigonometry. So quickly start the question. So in the question it is given like a circle artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So what they are telling, the AC is the rope which is tied at C at the ground and it is making an angle of 30 degree, and we have to find out what is the height from the ground. Means we have to find out AB here. So while looking here, so which trigonometric ratio suits here, right? So we have angle here, acute angle, and we have hypotenuse, and we need AB here. So what is AB here? AB is opposite to your angle here. So which trigonometric ratio we have to use? We have to use sine here. So we know that sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, right? So sine theta is here 30 degree, opposite is here AB, and hypotenuse is AC here, right? So what is AB? That is what we have to find out. And what is AC? It is 20 here. So AB we need to find out. So we have to bring this to the other side. So it will become sine 30 into 20. So what is the value of sine 30? We know it is half. So into 20. So 2 ones are and 2 tens are. So that is 10 meter. So the question asked is find the height of the pole. So height of the pole is 10 meters. So we have to write. So therefore height of the pole is equal to 10 meter. So writing conclusion is very important in all the problems. So we quickly move to this next question. There it says that a tree breaks due to the storm and broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. So if this is the tree, so half of the tree, or we don't know whether it's a half or anything, some portion of the tree, it is breaking and falling to the ground, they are telling. A tree breaks due to the storm, let AB be the tree height. So it breaks at the point C and it touches the ground at the point D, so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it, right? So the distance between the foot of the tree and the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. So BD is given as 8 meter. So what we have to find out? Find the height of the tree. So we have to find out AB here. So what is AB? The AB is nothing but AC plus CB, right? And whatever it is, a broken part that is touching to the ground, and that indicates AC is equal to CD, right? So this will implies AC, we can replace it as CD plus CB. So height of the tree AB can be found out by the addition of CD plus CB. This is because the CD is nothing but the broken part of the tree that is touching the ground. So AC is equal to CD here, we need to find out. So first thing they are asking you to find the height of the tree, right? So to find the height of the tree, we need CD as well as CB. And we have two parameters, one angle and the distance between the B and D, or where it touches the ground. So that is 8 meter. So to find out the CD, which trigonometric ratio we have to go? We have the adjacent side and we need the hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio? That is nothing but we have to use the cos theta here. So cos 30. So cos 30 is the adjacent. So that is BD by CD, right? So cos 30 becomes BD by CD and we know that the BD is 8 meter. So CD is equal to BD by cos 30, right? What is BD? 8 meter and cos 30 we know it is root 3 by 2, right? So it will become 8 into 2 by root 3. So that is nothing but 16 root 3. So that is broken part. CD or AC, we have found it as 16 root 3. So next we have to find out the CB, right? So find out the CB, we have this distance and we have need to find out BC. So trigonometric ratio which connecting the adjacent side and the opposite side is the tan theta here. So tan 13 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So that is BC by BD. So we'll write that here. So tan 30 is equal to BC by BD and we know BD is 8 here. So BC we need to find out. So BC is equal to tan 30 into BD. So what is tan 30? Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. What is BD? 8, right? So 8 by root 3 is your BC. And we know height of the tree is given by addition of AC plus CB and also we know that it is AC equal to CD. So we can replace the AB is equal to AC plus CB can be written as CD plus CB or BC. So what we have found out? The CD as 16 by root 3 and CB or BC we have found out 8 by root 3. So root 3 is common in the denominator. So we can write it as root 3 in the denominator and the numerator it will become 16 plus 8. So what is 16 plus 8? So that is 24 by root 3, right? So we can observe here 24 is the multiple of the 3 and we have the denominator it is root 3. So what we can write 24 as 8 into 3 can we write, right? And we know the 3 is the multiple of root 3 into root 3, right? If you are writing here it will be 8 into root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. So 1 root 3 will get cancelled. So what is the answer? 8 root 3. So therefore height of a tree is 8 root